In this module, we will dig into how to make your map symbology adapt on a case-by-case basis for each feature as it gets drawn. So the first thing you need to do is to add your map layers. As you can see, I have already added my map layers, and we are going to use the admin countries layer as the backdrop, and we are going to be making changes on the admin boundary lines disputed areas, which is this one, the first one. Okay, just minimize that so you can easily see the changes on my screen. Going back to the line layer. So right click on the layer, go to properties. So here we are going to use rule-based symbology to create two top-level rules. Okay, change the symbology renderer to rule-based. Then edit this one. Go to the pencil icon to edit, because we want to add two top-level rules. And we are going to label this one the breakaway rule. And we are going to add an expression for it. Go to fields and values, double click on the feature class, field equal to, since breakaway is a string, we are going to use quotation marks. Our expression is valid, since there's no invalid expression written here under preview. Click OK, and you can click test just to make sure that the filter is working, or the expression is working rather. And as you can see, it has returned 7 features. Okay, right, moving on, we are going to add another rule. So we click on the plus sign here, plus icon, and we are going to label this one not breakaway rule. Again, we are going to write an expression for it. Click on that icon, fields and values, feature class. In this case, the feature class is not equal to breakaway, so we're going to use the exclamation sign and an equal sign to represent that. Okay, quickly test. Alrighty. Right. So now the next step is for us to refine the rules. So we are going to, for the breakaway, draw an offset line which is colored according to the left admin boundaries country. So we are going to go back to the breakaway rule, click on it, then under refine selected rules here at the bottom, select add categories to rule. And for the value, we are going to use admin left. And we are going to change our symbol to a dash black line, change the width to 2 millimeters. Okay. Then we are going to change the color ramp, so it has to be random colors. And as you can see, it's already random colors by default. Classify. Okay. Apply. Okay. So as you can see, changes have been made. Right? This is the end of our role based symbology in context module.